Hi guys, so today I'm doing a get ready with me collab with Zehavs from Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel and we decided to do a Valentine's get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I've used, and all right, let's get ready. So I've already got my foundation on. I'm using the Infallible Pro Matte number 105. We're going to be using today the MannyMUA from MakeupGeek Palette. I think they have some really pretty colors in here and I think that they will suit this Valentine's Day look. First, as always, I will be starting with a Urban Decay primer, and this just is the original eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. Now that we've got that on, we're going to go ahead and take the first shadow from the palette, which is going to be Beaches and Cream, and it's going to be this one right here. We're just going to use that with a Pro Crease brush from Sephora. Here's what it looks like, and it is number 10. I'm going to set it all the way up to the brow. Now, I've never used this trick before, but I'm going to put some tape on the sides of my eyes here so that we don't make a huge mess. And I want it to go along my under eye here and outwards. Okay, with the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and go into the color Sarah, which is going to be the middle color here. We're going to start with our transition. We're going to take it above the crease and just swoop it back and forth. So what we're wanting is just a little bit of the skin up here from the eyebrow to be showing, but you do want some of that to be showing, but just a little bit, not too much. This is from LA Colors. It's just a crease brush, but it's a smaller, like fluffier brush. We're gonna go ahead and take some of this color here, which is gonna be Mars. We're gonna start right here in the middle of our eye and bring it out. And then swoop it down in a V. This is what you want it to look like. Add more as needed for the desired color that you want. So this is a really pretty like pinky red color. All right, we're gonna go back into that fluffy brush that we used at first, go back into the color Peaches and Cream, and we're going to just smooth that out up here. Now we're going to take that same brush that we used earlier for the red. Then we're going to grab some of this color here, just the darker color in the palette, just a little bit. And just kind of tap it along the line there. And then bring it up just a tad. Just on the outer V, slightly. Just to deepen up that color a little bit. Just like that. Back into the color Mars, the red, just add a little bit more. I'm gonna just swoop it all over the eye here with the excess that I have, so it's just gonna be pink. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a glimmer shadow of any kind. You can get the E.L.F ones, you can get the ones from Stila, you can get any kind of glimmer shadow that's like a liquid, and I'm gonna use the one from E.L.F. This is called Rose Gold, and I'm gonna place it in the eye here. Tap it wherever you think you might need some light. That's what we want to see right there. And then we're going to go back into the same palette with that same small brush that we had. Grab a little bit more of Mars, mix it with a little bit of the darker color, and then just kind of incorporate that glitter with the shadow. So just tap it in there. Then I'm going to use my color switch to take off the excess shadow, and I'm just going to take it and just kind of sweep it up here. Just to smooth out those lines, but bring some of the color into the middle here, but not a lot. So that's why I used my color swatch. And if you guys don't have a color swatch, I'll put a link down below for them so you can pick one up. I got mine at Ulta for like $9. It's really nice. It helps out a lot when you're using really bright colors and you're trying to clean off your brush really quick. So just like that. That's where you want it to be. Let's go ahead and pull off the tape and see what we got. Perfect. Perfect. That's what we want there. Those lines, those really nice sharp lines. We're gonna go ahead and line our eyes real quick. Okay, just a line like that. We're not gonna put a wing. We might, but I'm not gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on real quick, finish the rest of my makeup, and then we're gonna finish the under eye. So now that I have the rest of my makeup on, I used the lashes from Ardell, the Deluxe pack number 110. They're just like a little tiny wispy lash. They're not too over the top. They're something that you can wear every day on an everyday basis. I love these. I like them a lot. I used to use the Tarte blush. I used this one here and I used this one here and I mixed them together. So I also used the Urban Decay Afterglow highlight, and then I used NSFW, which is this one here, for highlight. So we'll go ahead and get back into the look here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a brown pencil liner. This is the one from NYX, and it is in the color Burnt Sienna. I'm just gonna line the bottom of my eyes here, just to the center of my eye, not all the way to the corner or the whole thing, just to the right in the middle of the center of my eye, just about right there. And we're gonna go back into the MakeupGeek palette. I'm gonna take a smaller brush. Where are you? I'm gonna take my Bodyograph Pro brush, and it is a flat shader brush, just like this. I'm gonna grab some of the brown color here, remove any excess, kind of smoke out that bottom eyelash. And I'm gonna go into the Mars color, just a little bit of that, not too much, and just smoke that out a little bit more down at the bottom of that. Then I'm going to take the color from Dose of Colors. This is the color Lava Cake. It is a very reddish brown color. We're going to go ahead and paint our lips with that. And I'll take a cloth and just take any excess off of there. And can I just say, I love those lipsticks from Dose of Colors. I just hate the applicator. The applicator is the worst on those lipsticks. This is from NARS, and this is in the color Orgasm. And I'm just gonna run it just right in the middle of my lip here. So this is the finished look. Don't forget to head over to Zehavs Channel to see what she's come up with for Valentine's as well. Make sure you subscribe to her channel, and don't forget to head over to her Instagram. I'll leave that all down below. I'm hoping I'm saying her name correctly. If not, I'm sure she will correct me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and I will talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye!